Hello beautiful makers, it's Bronwyn here from Coral Cockatoo and I've just received this box of filament from 3D Central. I can't wait to open it up and show you all what's inside. But before we get into that, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of the goodies from Coral Cockatoo. Okay, let's do it. Alrighty, let's open her up. Goodness. Oh, we've got a note. We've got a note, everyone. Hi, Bronwyn. Hope you enjoy our 3DC filament. Riley from 3D Central. Oh, I'm so excited for this. First quick look. Oh, I definitely see pink in there. Oh, all right. Let's get into it. Okay. First up. What have we got here? Oh my goodness! PLA Matte Rainbow. Oh, makers, we are going to make some very cool things with this. All right, let's open her up. How do we do this? Okay. Oh, it's bubble wrapped. Oh, look at that. Oh, we are going to have some fun with this, makers. Absolutely. All right. We've got rainbow. What's next? PLA Silk Premium Pink. Oh, you know that we love pink. We are all about the pink over here. Let's have a look at this. Oh my goodness. If that is not the most beautiful shade of bubblegum pink, I don't know. Oh. Right. This one. We have got Silk Premium Rainbow Voon Palace. Oh, guys. Oh, look at that. Okay. Let's look at this in real life, though. Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that beautiful, beautiful pastels in there. Oh. Oh, we are going to make some fun things. PLA Silk Premium Dual Color Red and Blue. Oh! I've read so much about these. So these shift. So one way, oh, they're red, and the other way, oh, it's blue. Oh, 3D Central, you have outdone yourselves. Okay, 2 to go. We'll do this one. We have Silk Premium White. Oh, what a beautiful step, like just stock standard color. You can't go wrong with white. Oh. PLA Silk White. Oh my goodness. Look at that sheen. Beautiful. Oh. Oh, I'm going to find some very cool things for us to make with this. And lucky last but not least, PLA Silk Premium, all pink and blue, all 3D Central. Okay, last one. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful sky blue on one side. Oh, and bubblegum pink on the other. We are going to make some beautiful, beautiful things. I can't wait to show you. Beautiful makers, I just want to give a great big thank you to 3D Central for sending us these filaments. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can follow along on this adventure and make some really cool things with us. Can't wait to see you in the next video.